Yeah, Shirley graduated in '83, so the first 3 years I was here, she set an example of a really great student. Then she went off to teach, did a very good job, and all of a sudden there she was in the late '90s back in the area. Yeah, I was very excited that she might be interested.
Yeah, when I first came to Dordt, I had no experience in teaching, and so I had asked Shirley if I could actually take BUAD 100. So Shirley was gracious enough to allow me to sit in on the class, to take the class. So I just had a really good experience with learning from Shirley. Just seeing her interactions with students, she was just real. She gave me, I guess, an example of how to be present in the classroom.
When I think of Shirley, one of the characteristics that she has that I think is one of her most unique and valuable attributes is a non-anxious presence. I think she's just a quiet servant leader, a teacher that students know has a lot of wisdom, and they want to gain it from her, and it's a beautiful thing to watch her interact with people.
I also love her passion for her students. There's times that she'll come and talk to me about a student that she has a concern about. We'll look at a four-year plan together, or when she taught Core 100 and just helping students recognize how to build their four-year plans and how to figure out what their passion is, why they were at Dordt. Just hearing her talk about the relationship she formed with her students when she was teaching Core 100. I think that was a part that Shirley enjoyed about her time teaching here at Dordt.
She's also been a confidant. Early on, she was about the only woman in our business department. A lot of young ladies would visit with her, and Shirley gathered in a lot of students who needed a little counseling and help.
One of the wonderful things about Dordt University is our two-year degrees. Shirley has spent a lot of her time and energy serving those two-year students, and I love that about Dordt. I love that about Shirley's contribution here, and I'm thankful for it.
Shirley always has had a good relationship with the students, but I think in the later years when I worked with her, I really appreciated her ability to get along with a changing group of faculty. She's very willing to go on into education and learn some things that she wasn't so probably well prepared to do, and she did a nice job of transitioning our department into being a department that was looked to once in a while for assistance when it came to core classes and that sort of thing.
I think the thing that I most appreciate about Shirley is just how intentional she is in her relationships. There are times in department meetings she'll, in 5 or 10 minutes, she's like, but have we considered? And so she's just a really intentional voice of reality in our department in terms of, well, we tried this, or I just love that perspective that she brings to our department.
Memories of Shirley kind of center around the fact that she was always very willing to help out. And, I really appreciate that, Shirley. You did a wonderful job filling in on our department where needed. Well, Shirley, I do hope you really enjoy retirement. I know you and Rudy will get around. You're pretty good at that. I think what I might do is put together a few of our favorite campsites that a lot of people don't know about, so I don't really want you to share them with all these Dordt people, but I'll get you a little list of some off-the-way places where I think you could hang out for a couple weeks, and I'd encourage you to do that. Take care.
So Shirley, I want to thank you for how you welcomed me to the department, how you helped me become a better teacher. I appreciate your kindness, and I just really appreciate the way that you've developed me and helped develop our department, and just your perspective on how we do business in the business department.
Shirley, you'll be missed. We're grateful for your service here at Dordt. Thank you for the way in which you've served, the students that you've served, and the way in which you've impacted God's world here at Dordt University. God's blessings to you in your retirement.